Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video because I was in a chat with Vern's vlogs the other night, and there were some people that had some questions about using OBS to stream to YouTube rather than using like Google Hangouts and that sort of thing. So I thought I would just make this quick video, and it's going to get kind of weird because I'm going to have two instances of OBS running, which I've tested. I can do. It's just a little wonky the way I have to do it. So that part won't necessarily apply to you, but what I want to show is where to go in YouTube to get the appropriate information you'll need for your OBS settings and that sort of thing, as well as how to set up a scene in OBS. So first things first, let's actually switch scenes here. This way you can actually see my desktop and what we're looking at here. And what we actually want to do is we're going to come down to here towards the bottom, and you're going to see, I guess, over on the left side, you're going to go to streaming, and then stream now should pop up initially. That's where we want to be. If we scroll down, you'll see that there's a couple of, if you go down to far enough anyway, there's an encoder setup. And under that, there's going to be a server URL and a stream name / key. I'm not going to show you my, sorry, something weird going on there. Anyway, I'm not going to show you my stream key. You can come over here and click the reveal. You'll need to do that when you set up your OBS. So we're going to need both the server URL and the stream name for what we're going to do next. And so what we'll do is we'll come down here and we'll open up OBS. This is free. It's easy to get. You can just go to, I think, OBS Studios or search for OBS Studios, and you can just download the version that's appropriate for your system. And then what we'll want to do is actually come over here to where it says Settings. And there's a bunch of settings in here, but the one we're going to focus on right now is the stream setting. And the first thing you've got up here is stream type. We're going to look up streaming services. This is whatever. And actually, you know what? I lied. We actually want to go to custom streaming server. And what we're going to do here is we're going to put in the URL and that stream key that we got from our Twitter profile. So we're going to copy this, and we'll come back over to here, and we'll paste that in. And then I'm going to copy this. Oops, that's not at all what I meant to do. Darn it. Too much stuff going on here. There we go. And then we're going to paste that in, and then we'll click Apply. And that's all we need to do in order to connect to YouTube. We need this URL right here, and we need to put in our stream key. That's how we authenticate to the system so that the system knows that it's us. And then we can just click OK. And then we'll want to make sure, if you're not familiar with setting up a scene, we'll actually want to go ahead and do that. It's pretty simple. You can just come down here, give it a name, something that's appropriate that you'll remember. So we'll call this demo. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to add some sources. One source that we may want to add obviously would be a video capture device. This might be your webcam. So I'm actually going to say, I'm going to call this webcam 2. And this may not work. There we go. Because I'm already using it for what we're doing up here, you would just add that, click OK. And then you could actually go in and move that around. And then you could also add, oops, don't want to add another scene. I want to add more stuff here. So say display capture. I'm going to call this desktop. And I'm going to say OK. Oops, so I'm going to call it desktop 2 because I've already got desktop in there. And then it'll give you a chance to select which display you want to use. I've actually got 2 different displays here. So you can go ahead and select whichever one of those you want to use. I'm going to just select display 0. That's the one we're on right now. Click OK. And then you may also want to add do an audio input capture, which is going to be your microphone. I'm going to call this mic 2, and I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to say I want to use my Blue Nessie or any of the other devices, but for me, I'm going to use my Blue Nessie here, and I'll click OK. And then all of those are available to use. So I'm going to go ahead and close this for right now because I've already got this scene set up in what we're recording here. So click exit there. I'm actually going to drag this down. This is what we're actually recording with right now. But we can, like I said, we've got our webcam over here. We can drag it wherever we'd like. We can make it as big as we'd like. Put it over in the corner. I don't actually recommend this. If you've got your branding set up on your YouTube channel, your little icon or whatever will sit over your face right here. So I don't recommend putting it down in this corner. Usually top right is fine. Adjust this for whatever you're doing. And then audio input capture. Of course, this is my microphone, which is there we go. My Blue Nessie microphone there. So we'll go ahead and set that down. And you can actually adjust the volume here. So if I drag this down, now I should be much quieter. If I drag it all the way back up, it should be back to normal. You can turn things on and off. So let's say for right now, I want to turn my webcam off so people can't see me. We can just turn that off by clicking the little eye down here, which is really handy. We can do the same thing with the desktop if we wanted to do that. So it's very, very simple. If I wanted to, up here, if I wanted to open up Google Hangouts or whatever the case may be, you can do that, and it will show, whatever is on your desktop, like this. This is my desktop here. So I can turn my icons back on. I like to have my icons off anytime I'm doing a recording on my desktop. There's actually a cool program called Fences that does that. Just because I got a lot of stuff here and I'm not terribly organized on my desktop most of the time, so I like to turn those off. So hopefully that helps. That makes sense. It's an alternate solution to using Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts is great if you're doing a chat with lots of people, but if you're just doing yourself like I'm doing right now, if you're just recording yourself, OBS is really, really cool. It's super easy to use. You can set up multiple scenes and switch back and forth just by, in fact, I'll show you here, down here where it says scene. This is just my desktop scene, or if I just want to record me, I click me, and there I am. So very, very easy to use, very intuitive once you get past the initial hiccup of, oh God, it's another program to use. So anyway, I thought I'd make this quick video to kind of show how this works. If you've got any questions, please do me a favor, leave those in the comments section down below. I'll be more than happy to answer any of them that I can. If you found the video helpful, do me a favor again, thumbs up, huge help to me and the channel. And if you're new here and you like tutorials on desktop stuff, operating systems, tech reviews, that kind of thing, also hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of when I release stuff, you can hit the notification button as well. So I hope this all recorded well. I'm going to go look at the edit on this, get it uploaded, and share it with you guys here real soon. Thanks for your time. I always appreciate your support, and I'll talk to you in the next one.